Hello everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss Yamaha receiver not turning on and get it fixed in minutes. Number 1. Power cycle. Unplug the receiver from the wall outlet, wait for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and attempt to power it on. Number 2. Reset protection mode. Press and hold the tune control and info buttons on the front panel. While holding these buttons, press the power button. Release all buttons after 3 seconds. This resets the internal protection security. Number 3. Inspect for faulty capacitors. Some Yamaha models may have a faulty 22NF or 63 volt capacitor, often labeled as C4 or similar. Replacing this capacitor can resolve power issues. Number 4. Check for short circuits. Ensure all speaker wires are properly connected and not causing a short. Disconnect all external devices to rule out external faults. Thanks for watching.